Hello everyone, my name is Zara Khan and my roll number is 225062 and my topic is vector spaces, bases, dual spaces and covariant vector. So let us first talk about vector spaces. A non-empty set V of vector space over F, it is denoted by V over F, with two operations. One, vector addition such that for every alpha comma beta belonging to V, then A alpha plus beta also belongs to V. Then second is scalar multiplication for every alpha belonging to V and C belonging to F. Then C dot alpha, which is the scalar product, belongs to V. It is said vector space if it satisfies following properties, where V is equal to alpha, comma beta, comma gamma and so on is a set of vectors. Now the first point is that V comma plus is an abelian group. First point, for every alpha comma beta belongs to V, then alpha plus beta belongs to V. This is already proven by the vector addition. Then for alpha beta gamma belongs to V, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. So these two are equal. Then O also belongs to V, and for every alpha belongs to V, then minus alpha also belongs to V. For every alpha comma beta belongs to V, then alpha plus beta is equal to beta plus alpha. Second topic is bases. Now what are bases? V is a vector space over field F, then any subset of B of V is said to be a basis of V if it satisfies the following property. Now two properties are there. First is that B is linearly independent set. Second is B is spanned V. That is, every element of V is in linear combination of the elements of B. Every elements of V are in linear combination with the elements of B. Now the key points are that a set B, which is equal to alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma alpha 3 and so on till alpha n, is basis for V if B is subset of V, B is linearly independent, that is, if C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 up to Cn alpha n is equal to 0. The third point is B is spanned V, that is, for every alpha belongs to V, then there exists C1, C2, C3 up to Cn belongs to F such that alpha is equal to C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus up to Cn alpha n. Now dual space. What is dual space? V be the vector space over field F, then the collection of linear functional on V from a vector space is known as dual space of V. It is denoted by V star, and the basis of the dual space is known as dual basis. It is denoted by B star. B star is the denotation for basis for dual spaces and V star is for vector space of the dual space. Then next we have V is equal to alpha beta gamma is a set. This is a vector space of V and B is the basis of V. So V star will be functional 1, F1, F2, F3, F3 and so on is a dual space of V, and the B star is the dual basis of the dual space, where B star will be a subset of V star. Now the key points over here are that dimension of V star is equal to dimension of V. The dimensions will be same for the dual space or the vector space. If V is finite dimension vector space or alpha belongs to V and alpha is non-zero, then for every linear functional, if B belongs to V star such that f of alpha, functional of alpha, is equal to not equal to 0. Then third key point is that V be the finite dimensional vector space over field F, comma alpha, comma beta belongs to V, such that alpha is equal to beta. When these two values are equal, then for every f of alpha plus f of beta. Now the last thing is what are covariant vectors. Let mm be the vector space of a contravariant vector, and afx to the power n is defined as mu is equal to mm to r, and satisfies the following properties: mu into a lambda plus b gamma equal to a mu lambda plus b mu gamma for every gamma belongs to Nm. The collection of such type of vector spaces as defined above are denoted by mm star and form vector space with respect to the operations. These two operations are mu plus del into gamma into lambda equal to mu into lambda plus mu into del is equal to mu lambda plus del lambda. Then a mu lambda is equal to a lambda mu, multiplication of all these three. For every mu comma del belongs to mm star is called covariant vector space. The vector of this space is covariant vector. Thank you.